Today, Johnny Depp will take the stand for day 2 in his defamation suit against Amber Heard. Yesterday's testimony revealed that when Johnny Depp was a child, he suffered some pretty substantial abuse at the hands of his mother. It was a very toxic relationship. He went on to talk about his dad's reactions to that abuse and how stoic of a demeanor that he had. He talked a lot about history of drug use and alcohol use. And yesterday they just started testimony about his relationship with Amber Heard, how they met. I expect the testimony today is going to be primarily focused on his relationship with Amber Heard and most likely domestic violence that he suffered from her. As a reminder, this suit is based on the fact that Amber Heard put a story out in the Washington Post in 2018. While she didn't specifically name Johnny Depp, it's pretty clear that that's who her story was about. So he sued her for defamation, saying that due to the false allegations in her story, he suffered damages, lost book deals, etc. He sued her for $50 million. She countersued him for $100 million. So we're going to see more direct testimony today, possibly get into cross-examination. So stay tuned. You can watch it on Court TV this morning starting at 10 a.m.